B2 fishing here, heading out to a golf course pond today. Let's see if we can get on it, see out the water. Let's hit it. There we go. Here's number one. Also a pound and a half larger. Been missing fish all day. That first one right there. Solid pounder. We just got hit right there. Alright. This dude must have been hungry. It's a chunky. Get the belly on that. Let's get him on. Second fish of the day. There's one. Yeah. Choke that Yamatanuki right there. But he was barely hooked. Look at that. That's a long one right there. Probably a 15, 16 inches. Pound and a half. 3/4. Third fish of the day. That Yamatanuki's putting in work. multi-species. Have you snagged? Got to get the right angle. Well, I apologize we didn't get the video out Sunday. We was out camping. We just got this Yamatanuki on a UWG Seaman Ned Turismo. Oh, little tiny guy. So the Yamatanuki catches big and small, multi-species. Fourth one of the day. Green pumpkin Yamatanuki. Just as we was talking about it. Just missed one right there. Right before we got up in the stick. See if there's anything else. Oh, deep. I'm gonna try to keep filming when it gets dark. See if I can get see if I can get some of that top water action for y'all. But I don't know how well y'all be able to see. Yeah. How many you caught? How many fish you caught? Yeah. There we go. Oh. Boom. You see it. Came right out. Yamatanuki. That's another long one. 1.5 right there. Maybe a 15.5. See if we can get on the top water right real quick. I'm not liking the top water right now. I'm gonna go back to the Yamatanuki. Fish this way. We ain't cast it over here yet. We got a black finesse worm on now. There we go. Running right at me. Oh, that's a better one. Oh, look at that. It's a solid 2-pounder. On the black finesse worm. There we go. 6 fish with a big. Oh, thought we had one right there, but I'm 90% sure I was just hitting the rocks. Oh, this one's fighting a little bit. There we go. Fish number 7 on the day. On the black finesse worm. There we go. Another long one, probably a 14 or a 15. Solid 1.5 pounds. There we go. Let's see. Here we go. Number 8 on the day. Solid 1.5 pounds again. 8 fish total. 1 type of sunfish, 7 bass. Biggest probably a 2-pounder. Caught all of them on the Yamatanuki and the black finesse worm. See you on the next one. Stay tuned for weekly videos. D2 Fishing. Let's get it.
D2 Fishing.
What we do here is go back.
Oh my God!